What's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to share a excellent success story that a client of mine had with my company and helping fix his credit. He was able to get approved for a home. So I just want y'all to check out this screen share and see what he had to say. So I just wanted to read something that a client sent me today. So today is the day that I've been looking forward to for more than 5 years. As you may remember, I bought my sister-in-law's house back in 2018 for $144,000. I put $20,000 down and had 6 years to qualify and purchase the house. The house is currently worth close to $290,000. I'm purchasing today for $130,000. How does this concern you? You may be asking yourself. Here's the good part, or the impossible part. About 20 months ago, I went with a lady in Vegas that said she did credit repair, paid her for 3 months, and realized she didn't do anything for me or my credit. Let's call her Susan. Realizing I was going to run out of time to purchase my home by 3/1/24, I reached out to a guy I saw on YouTube talking about how he could fix my credit. After a brief conversation, I decided to go with him, explaining my situation. He said he would do his very best and to trust him. I was out of time and had nothing to lose except future equity, my money down, my future, etc. 40 plus collections later and other stuff that I didn't count or remember, I have some great news. David, today I'm closing on my house. I close in 30 minutes. Do you realize how grateful I am? Do you realize how much you have done for me? I am forever grateful, man. This is everything to me. Brother, I can't say thank you enough. This is what it's all about. This means more to me than any amount of money that anybody can pay me, especially when they've tried to, reach out to another company that just couldn't get the job done because honestly, they just want money. 99% of credit repair companies, they're all about money. They don't care about fixing your credit. I have a passion for this. And again, this means so much to me. I'm glad I was able to help this guy get approved for a house. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day. So, as you can see, a very, very happy client. He was able to get approved for a home. When he thought that he couldn't, he did try another company and he just wasn't successful. He reached out to me. We got the job done. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great day.